Hello friends, welcome to my channel NT Knowledge Hub. Today we'll learn CountIF formula in attendance sheet. How to prepare attendance sheet in MS Excel. Before going forward, I will I would like to request you please like my this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's start the Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet, here some person's name are there, and here some criteria, and this is the day of the month, date of the month, and here we are going to calculate present, half day, comp off and absent. In this sheet there are some criteria which we follow strictly. First one, for present we strictly type P for present, for half day H, for comp off CO, and for absent A. So here some data already filled, and we will use CountIF formula to calculate present days, half day, comp off and absence. Let's start. Here the formula is CountIF, bracket open, the range, that is from first calendar date to 30th, last date of calendar month, then comma and the criteria, means we are calculating present days, means we are calculating P. So write here P and bracket complete. Enter. Here 26 present days calculated by computer automatically through formula. You can calculate here present days. Same we will calculate half day is equal to CountIF, the range, comma, double inverted comma, for half day keyword is H, double inverted comma complete, bracket complete, enter. There are two half days. One is here, you can see, and the second one is here. Same we calculate comp off is equal to CountIF, bracket open, range, comma, double inverted comma, for comp off keyword is CO, double inverted comma complete, bracket complete, enter. The comp off is 1 here, you can see, and absent is equal to CountIF, bracket open, range, comma, double inverted comma, for absent A. Only one person is absent. Now just copy paste this formula B. All data will calculate automatically. Here you can see two comp off is there, 1, 2 and 1 absent here. If you like my video, then please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.